Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today it's officially fall. I am so excited. I love fall. I love autumn. I love the colors. I love it all. Except when it rains. I don't love when it rains, but I still love the season anyway. Today we are going to be talking about how to find the perfect fragrance, okay, perfume for the fall season. I don't wear a lot of perfumes, okay, but there are certain times when I'm feeling extra saucy and I want to smell good. So I like to have different perfumes for different seasons. And today I'm going to show you, or basically talk to you about the different fragrances you can wear for the fall time and, you know, how to figure out which one is right for you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what else you would like to see from me. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another upload, because I do upload videos every single day, as we all know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. What's not to love about fall? It's just, it's great. It is a great time and I love it. So fragrances that are good for fall. I'm gonna go through the top categories and then break them down into specific fragrances, so that way when you go shopping or, you know, whenever you happen to be somewhere where they sell perfumes, you can go and you can look and be like, oh, this is a good one for fall. It has this, this, and this in it. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. The first major category for fall fragrances is earthy fragrances. So things that have scents like jasmine, amber, mandarin oil, pine, sandalwood, and even like some orangey fragrances are really good earthy fragrances that you can wear during the fall. I would say, I don't want to say stay away from florals, but maybe stay away from really strong floral scents. Like, you know, the stuff that you get from Pink or Victoria's Secrets, and they smell really, really fruity, really, really flowery. I would say maybe stay away from those and go for something a little more toned down, like a toned down floral instead of you know, a sweet floral. So you want to maybe a musky floral, like a jasmine, or even orange. Some orange, I want to say flavors, fragrances are really good for autumn. The next big category that we have for fall fragrances are natural fragrances. So this is it's pretty similar to the earthy scents, but when you think natural, you think clean, fresh, you know, and you know, when you think earthy, you think, you know, pine, sandalwood, stuff like that. So we're gonna talk about natural scents, natural fragrances, which can be things like vanilla. I love vanilla. Now be careful. You don't want to use, well, you don't want to use too much perfume anyway, but especially if you're using a vanilla scent, you want to be careful with how much you use, because vanilla can be a little overpowering in, you know, large amounts. So you really want to be careful that you're not using too much if you're going for a vanilla centered fragrance. Also, any kind of musky scents are so great for fall. It's just, again, it's that, just the aesthetic of the season with a musky scent is just, it's great. Personally, I love a good African musk. Even the incense, I have a nice musky incense that I burn every now and then, especially during the fall. I love it so much. So the last category that we have for autumnal scents is spicy scents. Spicy fragrances are so great for autumn. It's like it brings everything together. Like, picture this. You have your hoodie with the fur around the hood, because why not? You have your dark smoky eye, your dark brown smoky eye with a little bit of glitter on the inner corner, your dark lip. It could be a plum, it could be a black, you know, to each their own. And then you have like this spicy fragrance on, and it's just like the whole aesthetic just comes together. Like, your whole look is just tied together with that one detail. It's a thing. This makes me very excited. I love talking about this stuff. So, spicy fragrances that can include things like pomegranate, mahogany, magnolia, sandalwood. Yeah, sandalwood. I would say sandalwood, ginger, and orange blossom. Orange blossom is a really nice spicy scent that you can do for fall. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are 3 big fragrance categories that you have to choose from, and I also gave you guys some examples of what to look for when you're going to find your fall fragrance. You can pretty much just look at the like the ingredients on the packaging for the perfume and see what's in it, so you know what more or less what it's going to smell like. Or you can try it on in store, or you can ask someone, you know, what's in this, what does this smell like, and they'll usually tell you. But like I said, any of those 3 categories, you will be set for your fall fragrance. If you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what else you guys would like to see from me. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another upload ever again, because I do upload videos every single day, as we're all aware. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.